Welcome back to the Wealthy Clan. Today we're going to talk about something that's been on my mind for a while: haters. Yes, those individuals who seem to exist solely to bring others down. But guess what? Your haters don't want you to achieve the following. Your haters don't want you to succeed. Can you believe it? Well, it's true. When you set goals and work hard to achieve them, it threatens the status quo. Your success becomes a reminder of what they haven't accomplished, and that makes them uncomfortable. So, remember, your dreams are worth pursuing. Your haters don't want you to believe in yourself. They'll try to plant seeds of doubt in your mind, but don't let them. You have unique talents, strengths, and potential. Embrace them, and don't let anyone's negativity make you question your worth. Your haters don't want you to be authentic. When you're true to yourself, you stand out. And standing out can be intimidating to those who are afraid to be different. So, keep being you, because authenticity is magnetic. Your haters don't want you to learn and grow. Every mistake you make is an opportunity to become better, stronger, and wiser. Don't let the fear of judgment hold you back from taking risks and evolving as a person. Your haters don't want you to find joy in your journey. Success is not just about the destination, it's about the experiences, lessons, and moments along the way. Embrace the ups and downs, and savor the joy of progress. Your haters don't want you to surround yourself with positivity. Seek out supportive friends and mentors who lift you up. Distance yourself from those who bring you down, and remember that you have the power to choose your inner circle. Your haters don't want you to be resilient. Life is full of challenges, and when you face them head-on, it can be inspiring to others. Your haters may hope you crumble under pressure, but show them your strength and resilience in the face of adversity. Your haters don't want you to lead by example. When you succeed, you become a role model for others who are also striving for their dreams. Your achievements can inspire them to take action, and that's a powerful force for positive change. Your haters don't want you to spread kindness and positivity. Responding to negativity with kindness not only disarms your haters but also sets an example of grace and maturity. Be the bigger person, and watch how your actions can influence others. Your haters don't want you to celebrate your wins. It's important to acknowledge your achievements, no matter how small they may seem. Celebrate your successes as a reminder that hard work and perseverance pay off, and let your haters see your joy. Your haters don't want you to keep evolving. Success is an ongoing journey, and your haters may hope you become complacent. Keep setting new goals and pushing your boundaries, because your evolution is a testament to your commitment to personal growth. Your haters don't want you to inspire others. By pursuing your dreams and overcoming obstacles, you show others what's possible. Your journey can motivate others to pursue their passions, and that's a legacy worth leaving behind. So, remember, my incredible audience, your haters may not want you to succeed, but their negativity can be the fuel that propels you to greater heights. Embrace the challenges, believe in yourself, and continue on your path to success. Be the shining example of resilience, kindness, and positivity that the world needs. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, keep defying the odds and proving your haters wrong.